So what I had going on here was sending unit went bad on my Duramax here for the oil gauge. It was showing about 127 pounds of oil pressure. So anyways, I changed that out. So now my oil pressure gauge is showing, oh, I suppose about 50 pounds or so of oil pressure. Which I couldn't really find much for information online, but that's what the issue was. There's the sensor there. Show you where the sending unit sits. And right over there. Basically, you just pop off that little connector right there, and there's that oil sending unit. Kind of a tough little guy to get to. Is 1 1/16". Use the deep well socket, but took it right out.